You can substitute Python variables into your SQL statements to create more dynamic and flexible SQL queries. This will increase the reusability and adaptability of your code. So to do this, we've created a new notebook, and then we'll add a Python cell and a SQL cell. We're going to create a Python variable for Mexico, and then in our SQL query here, we're going to say where country, and then use the curly brackets to insert our country filter variable for SQL. Then we'll run this code using this play button at the top to run all of the cells here, and it returns the number of reviews for Mexico. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.